Data really powers everything that we do. This is not something we made up, but Jeff Weiner, the executive chairman of LinkedIn, made this statement. It is a globally known fact that data is the backbone of every industry. Obtaining, scrubbing, exploring, modeling, and interpreting data is where the task lies. This is where a data professional comes into the picture. With the pandemic, arose the question of how well can the advanced tech of data science help better healthcare. The COVID crisis brought healthcare professionals across the globe together, working with COVID-related data using AI and ML models for vaccine development, contact tracing, and screening applications. Now is the time more than ever to bring innovative tech into the healthcare domain. So, here comes the big question. Are you ready to advance better with the application of novel techniques like data science into healthcare? Are you a working professional with a mindset to upgrade your career in healthcare with data science? Then you are in the right place, because here is what you should necessarily know before taking the big step. Health data science is a relatively new field with brilliant opportunities. It is a blend of statistics, informatics, epidemiology, mathematics, and computer science. The emerging field of healthcare combined with data science paves way for more operations and research. As a healthcare data scientist, your effort will center on improving patient outcomes, all the while reducing overall healthcare costs. Don't fret if you are not having a strong healthcare background. A strong quantitative background with mathematical and computational skills can guide you forth to become a healthcare data science professional. If you are aiming for an eventual career transition from healthcare to data science with a growth perspective, there are a few things you can do. The first would be to find a project in your domain that incorporates data science tools. Doing such a project would enable you to research and get familiarized with various data science related tools. Say, for instance, time series forecasting of COVID-19 cases and mortality rate using machine learning, or breast cancer detection using advanced ML and deep learning. If your full-time healthcare job doesn't permit you to get involved in a long-term project, you can always try freelancing options. That would be the second option. The third and most important one would be to enroll in a data science program. Because think for yourself, wouldn't it be better to learn from an expert rather than wasting your precious time scrolling over the internet to find learning materials? Besides, signing up in an e-learning platform that gives focus to industrial training and real-time project experience can undoubtedly uplift your career curve. So, where do you get the right training with project experience? Come to Skillslash. We offer you 100% live interactive classes with a 3-year subscription. This means even after course completion, you can revisit to revise the modules. Besides, you can customize your courses. Say, if your goal is to don the role of a healthcare data scientist, you would be requiring knowledge of statistical analysis, quantitative methods, applied regression, and machine learning. You can thus self-design your courses to meet your learning requirements under expert supervision. Domain training, elective tracks, and free career counselings are other main aspects. The most prime thing would be the opportunity to involve with top data science companies and work in real-time industrial projects. What is more, you can also get direct company certifications for these projects. Quoting the American magnate Carly Fiorina, the goal is to turn data into information and information into insight. Multinational tech companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Alphabet have made innovative products and services by incorporating data science in healthcare. For example, the Apple Watch tracks cardiovascular issues and Microsoft's Watson works on AI for business and electronic healthcare. Verily, a research organization of Alphabet works by applying AI techniques and uses technology to understand, detect, and resolve health-related issues. So now the groundbreaking potential of data science in healthcare. It is globally acknowledged and still on the rise. This explains the multitude of job prospects that awaits you if you skill up in data science. Make hay while the sun still shines. Today is not too late. Study from the best in the very best possible way by signing up at Skillslash. With us, get the right training and exposure. Together, we can climb up the career crest.